How to do English speaking practice. I don't have anyone to speak. I don't have anyone to share my opinion, to talk with, or to take conversation. So how I can improve my confidence, or how I can improve my English, how I can do my practice alone. Because I have heard a lot of people, they are suggesting, they are sharing their own thoughts. You can do practice with people, with friends, or you should make calls, you should make online friends if you want to speak English, or you should join any uh, specific coaching or course if you want to get confidence, if you want to become a fluent English speaker. But guys, I want to mention my personal opinions, how you can do English speaking practice at alone at home. Because in my case, I'm totally alone. I don't have anyone, at least anyone. I don't have to practice with people because I'm a mother, so I cannot go anywhere because my child is too small, so I cannot go anywhere or take class. So I don't prefer to go outside from my house. That is why I'm doing practice alone at my home. And I'm making small videos for get confidence, for improve my English or whatever I learned. I want to use my words, sentences, each and everything I want to use in my videos. So I'm trying my best for giving something valuable advice for you, or I would like to mention each and everything whatever I learn. So in this way I'm trying to practice each and every day. I am trying to, you know, uh, organize all the things in a perfect way, in a perfect manner. So I'm trying to learn because sometimes I don't have extra time to do just for English speaking practice. I cannot give a specific topic to make any conversation to do practice. So that is why I prefer to share my opinions with people, with you, or if you are watching my video, you can relate my situation with you. So I'm totally alone, and I didn't join any spoken classes to improve my English or get confidence. But how I'm learning English? There's a one question, how I'm learning English, because I'm alone. I didn't join any spoken classes. So how it is possible to learn English? How it is possible to speaking practice even you don't have partner? So I prefer to talk with myself. I used to talk mirror. I used to talk with some peoples, or I made some conversational videos which I already uploaded on my channel. But I didn't join a lot of people's, a lot of conversation, because I don't have that much time for give that conversation. That is why I just made some conversational videos for improve my confidence, because real person, it is very important for speaking English if you want to get confidence, because that people helps you to improve your confidence, boost your confidence. So I don't have that much time, because sometimes I want to join any conversation, but just because I don't have a lot of time, so I ignore, or I used to talk sometime online peoples, but not too much. And especially I am talking about weather, natural things, situational things. Okay, so these are my topics where I am learning English, or whatever I learn I try to mention in my videos. So I want to mention my opinion on this topic. If you are alone, or if you want to speaking practice, try to describe your daily activity, or try to describe your work, whatever in all around you, start describe in your own way. Don't consider if you are making mistakes in initially. everyone they make mistakes. So don't consider it too much. It's a normal, it's a common problem. Okay, because sometimes a lot of people they are making mistakes. Even native English speaker also make some mistakes while speaking. They get some time, they think. So it is a common. So don't consider too much, and just let yourself to do mistakes. Allow yourself, or always try to describe any situation. Talk about the weather. How is the weather today? Talk about your office work, talk about your school life, college life, or talk about if any incident happened with you or any situational things. So it's all about the our life. You should relate in English. Immerse yourself in English language. Always do practice. Try to improve yourself. If you don't have so much English words about that situation, try to use ChatGPT. Just give some prompt, or say something, give me this situational things, or give me some about words about this situation. Then you will get also without any extra efforts. You will, so just give some prompt and you will get a lot of words about that situation, a lot of sentences or something new you will get. So you should use online applications if you want to describe any situational things, because in this way I'm doing my English speaking practice, or whatever I want to learn, whatever I want to new, I want to know about that situation. I just give some prompt ChatGPT, then I'll get the perfect answer. Okay, so don't be disheartened if you don't have partner. Explain yourself, explain situational things, you know, like this, whatever in all around you. This is a day, and it's boiling outside, or it's scorches today, or you can say I'm sitting on the terrace, or I'm doing this work, I'm making videos, I'm making dinner, I'm serving food, I'm taking bath, or this like daily activity. You should share, you should mention, speak. And if you have hesitation about speaking, if someone they heard my voice, then they will laugh at me because I'm making mistakes. So it's a common problem. Don't be disappointed, because if you speak, then you will get confidence. If you don't speak, then how it is possible to get confidence? You will not get. So I would say you should allow yourself to make mistakes. You should allow yourself, if someone they laugh at you, don't consider too much. Try to always speak aloud. And you know what you are doing. In front of people, they don't know what you are doing. They may laugh at you, but it's not your point. Okay? Because you are trying to improve yourself, that is your point. So don't consider too much. Speak aloud, or do whatever you want. So in this way you can do practice at alone, and it's not need to join any spoken classes just for speak English. It's a communication skills, and there's no age limited. There's no age limit that you should be, then you can learn. No, it doesn't matter. You can speak, you can learn. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, so it's a communication skills, it's a language, and if I learn, then you can learn too. I believe in yourself. If I can learn English, then you can learn it too, even better than me. You can speak it, because I'm a villager. I don't have partner, I don't have extra money to join, I don't have extra money to give for improve this language. So I don't have so much opportunities to learn, to go anywhere, because sometimes I have work. So I'm learning English just by watching English videos. I'm learning English through online, especially on YouTube, or while making my video I try to done my practice. Okay, so in this way I'm doing my practice, and I hope you understand this video very well. If you guys, then please don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. And I tried my best to pay my attention, to pay some valuable information in this video. So I hope you like it. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.